Next, example number 4. The area of the region bounded by the curve y is equal to 4x minus x square and x axis in the first quadrant is option A is 16/3 square units, option B 16 square units, option C 32 square units, and option D 32/3 square units. Look at the curve y is equal to 4x minus x square and the x-axis. By observation we can say that there is no limiting point or no two lines. That's why we have to find the value of x or y. This is under the x-axis as well as y is equal to f of x. That's why put y is equal to 0. The equation becomes 0 is equal to 4x minus x square. Taking x common, we get x common 4 minus x. X into 4 minus x is equal to 0. That means x is equal to 0 or 4 minus x is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 4. Now we get the limit x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 4, as well as we have the curve y is equal to 4x minus x square. Now taking integration, we get area from 0 to 4. The curve is 4x minus x square dx. Find the integration. 4 is constant. Integration of x is x square upon 2 minus, or it can be taken as 0 to 4 minus integration of x square is x cube upon 3, and limits are from 0 to 4. Now put the values from 2 1 the 2, 2 to the 4, we get 2x square raised to 4 and 0 minus x cube upon 3 with 0 to 4. Now put upper limit 2 into 4 square is 16 minus 2 into 0 is 0 minus upper limit 4 cube upon 3 minus 0 cube is 0. That's why whole term is 0. 2 into 16 is 32 minus 4 cube. 4 cube is 64 and upon 3. Firstly, equate the denominator. We get 32 into 3 is 96 minus 64 upon 3. 96 minus 64 is 2 and 3. 32 upon 3 square units is the required answer or required area of given curve. Look at the options. 32 upon 3, option D is the right answer for given MCQ. Example number 5. The area bounded by the parabola parabola x square is equal to 4y and the lines y is equal to 2, y is equal to 4 is, options are 4 upon 3, 8 minus 2 root 2 square units. Option B is 8 minus 2 root 2 square units. Option C is 8 upon 3, 8 minus 2 root 2 square units. And option D is 8 upon 3, 8 plus 2 root 2 square units. Look at the question, the area bounded by the parabola. The change is the parabola. Important word in the MCQ is parabola. X square is equal to 4y and the lines y is equal to 2, y is equal to 4. We have to find the area between the parabola x square is equal to 4y. The parabola is in the Cartesian form x and y. The parabola in the form of x square is equal to 4by. When there is given x square, that means the parabola touches to the x axis. This parabola is x square is equal to 4y. Again the line is y is equal to 2 and y is equal to 4. If is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Y is equal to 2, that means this line y is equal to 2 and the another line is y is equal to 4. Now the between this and this we have to find the area between these two lines and the curve. By observation we can see that the same area of the left hand side and right hand side of y axis. That means area is 2 times. There are 2 spaces, therefore 2 times integration and the limit is 2 and 4 from 2 to 4 and x square is equal to 4y. We have to find the value of x. X is equal to square root of 4y. Square root of 4 is 2 and root y. Write the value of x dy. Here 2 integration 2 to 4. Value of x is 2 root y dy. Now 2 taking outside 2 into 2 is 4. Integration 2 to 4. Root y can be written as y raised to 1 upon 2 dy. Next, by the formula x raised to n is equal to x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Area is equal to 4 into 2 upon 3 y raised to 3 upon 2. 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 upon 2 from 2 to 4. Now putting the upper limit and lower limit, 4 into 2, 8 upon 3. Upper limit is 4 raised to 3 upon 2 minus lower limit is 2 raised to 3 upon 2. Now 4 raised to 3 upon 2 can be written as 4 raised to 1 upon 2 cube. 4 raised to 1 upon 2 means square root of 4 is 2. 2 cube is nothing but 8. And similarly 2 raised to 3 upon 2 can be written as 2 raised to 1 upon 2 cube. Now 2 raised to 1 upon 2 is nothing but square root of 2 and is cube. square root of 2 cube is nothing but square root of 2 into square root of 2 into square root of 2. Square root 2 is 2 root 2. Put this value, we get 8 upon 3. 4 raised to 3 upon 2 is 8 minus 2 root 2. And it is area, that's why unit is square unit. Now look at the options. 8 upon 3, 8 minus 2 root 2 square units. Option C is the right answer for the given question. Next example 6. The area bounded by the circle x square plus y square is equal to 16 and lines x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2 is, options are option A 4 root 3 plus 8 pi upon 3 square units. Option B 1 upon 2 4 root 3 minus 8 pi upon 3 square units. Option C 4 root 3 minus 8 pi upon 3 square units. And option D 1 upon 2 4 root 3 plus 8 pi upon 3 square units. The given area is circle. Area is circle x square plus y square is equal to 16. The equation of circle in the form of x square plus y square is equal to a square. That is the standard equation of the circle. The standard equation of circle, that means this circle have center 0 0. Now the x square plus y square is equal to 16. If the circle is like that and the lines x is equal to 0, if this is x and y, x is equal to 0 is nothing but y axis, x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2. If this is 2, then the line is x is equal to 2. Now we have to find the area between these two lines and circular curve. For this, by observation we can write A and A. That means there are 2 times area is 2 times integration, and this is from x axis, that's why dx. Now from this x square plus y square is equal to 16, we can find the value of y square is equal to 16. We can find the value of y. Y square is equal to 16 minus x square. Now y is equal to, taking square root of 16 minus x square. This is y dy dx. Now put the value of y. Limit is 0 and 2. 0, 2. 2, 0 to 2. Value of y is square root of 16 minus x square dx. 16 can be written as 4 square minus x square dx. Now we know the formula. Integration square root of a square minus x square. The integration of square root of x square minus x square is x upon 2 square root of a square minus x square plus a square upon 2 sin inverse x upon a. We know the value of a is 4. Put the value, we get a is equal to 2 times integration x upon 2 square root of a square minus x square. A square means 16 minus x square plus a square 16 upon 2 sin inverse x upon a means 4. Now solve this. Limit is 0 and 4. Sorry, limits are 0 to 2. Put the value 2 into square root of 16 minus x square. 2 square is 4 plus 16 into sin inverse upper limit 2 upon 4 minus 0 into term is 0 minus plus 16 sin inverse 0 upon 4. Sin inverse 0 is 0. The lower limit becomes 0. 2 into square root of 16 minus 4 is 12 plus 16 into sin inverse 2 1 the 2, 2 to the 4, 1 upon 2. 2 square root of 12 can be written as square root of 4 into 3 plus 16 into sin inverse 1 upon 2 is pi upon 6. Now 2 into square root of 4 is 2 and root 3 plus 2 3 the 6, 2 8 the 16 becomes 8 pi upon 3. 2 into 2 4 root 3 plus 8 pi upon 3. This is area, that's why unit is square units. Look at the option 4 root 3 plus 8 pi upon 3. First option, option A is the right answer.